Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 4. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health in these days. In the previous lecture we have discussed how to solve two or more operation in a sentence. In this video we will learn about estimation of numbers. Today our topic is estimation of numbers. To find an approximate or nearly exact answer by making use of friendly numbers in place of actual numbers is called estimation. Rounding off a number means to bring a number to its nearest friendly number, and friendly number is the nearest number ending in 0 or zeros. If the digit we are rounding off is 5 or greater than 5, round the digit up. All digits that are on the right hand side of the rounding digit will become 0. If the digit we are rounding off is less than 5, do not change it. All digits that are on the right hand side of the rounding off digit will become 0. For rounding off to the nearest 10. Now consider the digit in units place. As we have the number 3452, the digit in units place is 2, and 2 is less than 5. It means we will write the number 3400 as it is, as we are going to round off this number to the nearest 10. We will write 5 as it is, and instead of 2 we will write 0 here. It means if we want to round off the number 3452 to the nearest 10, the number will be 3450. If we want to round off a number to the nearest 100, we have to follow some rules. We will consider the digit in tens place if we want to round off a number to the nearest 100. Here we have the number 3452. We will consider the digit in tens place. In tens place there is 5, and 5 is equals to 5. 5 is equals to 5. We will round the digit up, that is in the hundreds place. In hundreds place there is 4. We will round this number up as 5. And rest of the numbers will be 0. The digit at tens and units place will become 0. It means if we want to round off the number 3452 to the nearest 100, it will be 3500. If we want to round off a number to the nearest 1000, we will consider the digit in hundreds place. Here we have the number 3652. We will consider the digit in hundreds place. And the digit in hundreds place is 6. The digit in hundreds place is 6. And 6 is greater than 5. It means we will round the digit up, that is in the thousands place. Here it will be 4, and the rest of the numbers will become 0. All digits that are on the right hand side of the rounding up digit will be 0. If we want to round up a number to the nearest 10,000, what number we will consider? Can you tell me? Let me tell you. If we want to round up a number to the nearest 10,000, we will consider the digit in thousands place. Here we have the number 13,652. We will consider the digit in thousands place. The digit in thousands place is 3, and 3 is less than 5. It means the digit in thousands place will remain the same. It will be 13. and all the digits on the right hand side of the rounding digit will become 0. If we round off the number 13,652 to the nearest 10,000, it will be 13,000. Here we have two numbers and we will add them, 214 and 598. This example requires mental and pencil calculation. If we add them, we will get the answer 812. If we round off this number to the nearest 10, we will consider the digit in units place. In units place there is 4 and 4 is less than 5. It means this number will be rounded off as 210. If we round off this number 598 to the nearest 10, it will be we will consider the digit in units place, and that is 8. As 8 is greater than 5, it means 9 will be round up and it will become 600. In 9, if we add 1, we get 10. That will be carried forward to hundreds. It will become 600. Now we can easily add them. If we add 600 and 210, it will become 810. And this is nearly answer of 812. It means estimation help us to do calculation faster and without a pencil. If we multiply 211 and 39, we will get the answer 8229. This example also requires mental and pencil calculation. Now if we want to round off this number 211 to the nearest 10, we will consider the digit in units place. And in units place there is 1, that is less than 5. It means it will be rounded off as 210. If we want to round off this number 39, we will consider the digit in units place. In units place there is 9 and 9 is greater than 5. It means we will round the digit up. Instead of 3 we will write 4, and in place of 9 we will place 0. It will become 40. Now if we multiply 210 and 40, we get the answer 8400. Here we have the number 549 and we will divide it by 47. We get the answer 11.6. This example requires mental and pencil calculation. If we round off this number 549 to the nearest 10, we will consider the digit in units place. In units place there is 9 and 9 is greater than 5. It means the digit 4 will be round up. It will become 550. In place of 9 we will place 0. If we round off this number 47 to the nearest 10, we will consider the digit in units place, and the digit in units place is 7. Now what will we do? Yes, we will round up this digit 4, and instead of 7 we will place 0. Now if we divide 550 by 50, we get the answer 11. Here we have another example, 567. We will subtract 159 from it and we get the answer 408. If we round off this number 567 to the nearest 100, we will consider the digit in tens place. The digit in tens place is 6, that is greater than 5. It means we will round the digit at the hundreds place up. It will become 600 and the digits on the right hand side will become 0. If we round off this number 159 to the nearest 100, we will consider the digit at tens place, and the digit at tens place is 5, and 5 is equals to 5. It means the digit at hundreds place will round up. It will become 2, and all the digits on the right hand side will become 0. Now we can easily subtract 200 out of 600 and we get the answer 400. In this video we have discussed how to estimate the numbers to the nearest tens, hundreds, thousands or 10,000. In the next video we will learn about estimation word problems. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.